Hello and welcome to Frog Bites Manufacturing. My name is Rob Mason, I'm the General Manager, and we're here to show you an operation of which we're extremely proud. A high-class operation that gained ISO approval for 9000 and 14001 within 3 months of being set up. We were winners of Wales's Insider Magazine Best Factory Award 2017, and we won the Insider Magazine the UK's Best Factory Award in 2018. This is an extremely high-class operation and we'd love you to see it. Come and take a look.
The factory is 120,000 square feet in size. Currently, there are over 50 staff on site and we are producing 300 bikes every day. Our warehouse team sends these bikes out to fulfill orders all over the world. Now we'll take a close look at the various stages of bicycle production, so let's start by visiting the wheel building team. The first stage of building a wheel is hub filling. Here we have 2 automatic hub fillers that can each fill 900 hubs a day. They fire the spokes into the holes on the hubs. These are very efficient, state-of-the-art pieces of machinery. The team always makes sure that our distinctive coloured spokes are either side of the valve. Next, the wheel is laced. Our operators have to feed the spokes into the correct position, while the robot ensures each spoke is tightened consistently and evenly. Our well-trained staff can lace a wheel in approximately 45 seconds. The wheel then travels down to one of our 3 robotic turning machines. Each robot tightens 2 spokes at a time to ensure the wheel is true and the spokes are at a predefined tension. Tolerance levels are set to less than 0.6mm allowable deviation, so our wheels are consistently true. This standard could not be achieved manually. Once the wheel is taped, the tyre and inner tubes are fitted and partially inflated for transport around the world to cope with different temperatures and pressures in transit. Adding the dust cap completes the wheel building process, and the racks of wheels sit ready to be moved over to the assembly line.
As with many parts of the production process, it is essential that components are assembled to very precise torque settings. The bottom bracket is inserted into the shell and this machine tightens it up between 33 and 40 Nm, depending on the model. At the next station, the saddles and seat posts are joined together. This jig has been designed to make sure the seat post and saddle are joined at an angle of 15 degrees, so they are already preset for an optimized, comfortable riding position. Each saddle is repacked for protection in transit. Just like the wheels, these saddles are placed on our bespoke racks so they can be moved carefully over to the assembly line. At the handlebar station, our team insert rubber bungs into the end of the bar as a safety precaution. Our unique brake levers and grips are put in place and tightened up to the correct torque. Then the brake and gear cables are applied. Sometimes one of our qualified bike mechanics will build up a whole bike ready for an event. We'll inspect bikes during the production process, or we'll check over some used bikes before sending them out again. But almost all of our bikes are part assembled, ready for shipping to our stores. And this happens on our 45-metre moving production line. Here the frames, forks, handlebars, wheels, gears and cranks are all brought together. Brake cables are threaded and everything undergoes a thorough check. The line is permanently moving as each member of the team carefully assembles and tests various parts of the bike. protective packaging is strapped into place and the bike is boxed up with its mudguards, pedals, reflectors and paint plasters. Finally, it's ready for the next stage of its journey.
Our warehouse is on the floor above the assembly line, so the bikes are fed into an automatic elevator which transports them swiftly upstairs. Up in the warehouse we have plenty of racking, enough space for tens of thousands of bikes. Each bay is individually barcoded, giving us a very high level of stock accuracy and making it easier for the warehouse team to quickly pick the bikes ready for dispatch. Our warehouse management system instructs the team to pick the oldest bikes first on a first in, first out basis. Once picked and labelled up for each customer, bikes are placed on our second elevator which brings them down to the dispatch doors and they are ready to load onto the waiting lorry. Looking after the environment is very important to us. Our factory has been optimised to minimise its energy usage and we recycle all the cardboard, plastic and metals that we can't reuse on site. This compactor allows us to bale up waste cardboard which is collected regularly. We are constantly improving our packaging and processes to further reduce our carbon footprint, whilst making sure we always deliver an award-winning product to our customers in top condition.
Thank you for watching and we hope you enjoyed this virtual tour.